In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off reCAPTCHA for article submission in the front end of your Joomla site. Hey there, Joomla fans. Tim Davis here. I'm a Joomla fan too, and thanks for tuning in to Maintenance Monday number 183 here on the Basic Joomla Tutorials YouTube channel. Why would you want to turn off reCAPTCHA for article submission or creation in the front end of your site? Well, we're going to talk about that right now. Today's video is brought to you by mysites.guru. Head on over to mysites.guru, get a free site audit for your Joomla site. While you're there, check out all the information and tools that will save you time and money managing multiple Joomla sites or even one Joomla site. And if you decide to subscribe, use the coupon code BASICJoomla and you will get your first month free. All right, let's check out the basicjoomla.com site. I am already logged in, and I'm logged in with a profile that's allowed to create articles on the front end. So if you have that properly set up, only the people that you want to add articles to the front end of the site will be allowed to. Now, as we go to click on Create Article, you will see that down here in the bottom right-hand side is the image here that shows that I have invisible reCAPTCHA on here. But you don't need reCAPTCHA set up on your article submission page or creation page in the front end if you are sure that you have things set up properly, and only the people that are logged in are able to submit an article. After all, if someone has passed the security test of logging in and maybe even using the reCAPTCHA, if you've got that turned on for them logging in, why make them do it again when they're adding an article to the front end? Now, in order to turn that off, it is super easy. In the control panel in your back end, go to Content and Articles. Zoom over to the Options button. And then under the Editing Layout tab, you'll probably see the Articles tab first. Under the Editing Layout tab, allow CAPTCHA on Submit. And you have your options to, say, use the global one. You can select a different one that you may have set up. I think it's a little risky to have a bunch of different CAPTCHAs happening on your site, depending on what other forms you have on your site that may appear on the screen. Or you can say none, and that will turn it off. We save this. We will refresh this Create New Article page, and we will see down here in the bottom right-hand corner, CAPTCHA is turned off for this. Now, it's really important that you make sure that you have your site set up so that only people that you want to have access to create articles and add articles actually have it in the group that they are assigned in the back end of the site. If you've got that all squared away, you don't need reCAPTCHA when they're submitting because they've already passed the test to log in to the site first. I hope that was helpful for you. If it was, please subscribe and ring the bell to get new notifications. And YouTube thinks there's some other things that you should check out now. They're popping up on the screen right now. I think that would be great. Go ahead and click on something. Watch something else. Until the next time, enjoy your Joomla sites, and God bless.